Thank you, Madam President. We're running a little bit short on the time that I expected to have with Senator Merkley here, so I'm going to ask unanimous consent to come back at a later time and have my remarks delivered then, fit into the record as if I had had the chance to deliver them fully now.
Without objection.
I do want to say that we are here at a time when the Republican Party is jamming yet another nominee through bizarre procedural practices onto the Supreme Court. We have examined in the Judiciary Committee some of the ways in which the funding for that operation flows from big anonymous donors who use the Federalist Society as a conduit to buy a seat at the table where our Supreme Court justices are selected, and then with contributions as big as $17 million pays for campaign ads for the nominee who's been selected, and then sends an entire flotilla of front groups in an orchestrated chorus to go and argue together before the Supreme Court as if they were different. And what I want to say today is that we have been looking at this captured courts problem for a while, and we're releasing this What's at Stake report on what it means for climate and the environment. Because who's behind the scheme to capture the court is primarily the big polluters who want protection from courts that will be friendly to their interests. And I will speak more about this and about why they're willing to spend what the Washington Post has calculated as $250 million in dark money to effect this court capture operation. What's the payback for them? I will come back to that later, and at this point, this is the asterisk in my remarks where my later remarks will be inserted. And at this point, I'd yield to my wonderful colleague, Senator Merkley, and thank him for his leadership on the What's at Stake Climate and the Environment report that we are speaking about today.